Imagine standing in the middle of Times Square, the world moving at a frantic pace around you, and you reach into your pocket. You don't pull out a bulky DSLR or a shaky smartphone. You pull out a device no bigger than a candy bar, yet it possesses the power to capture cinema-grade 4K footage that looks like it was shot by a Hollywood crew. This isn't a dream. This is the reality we are stepping into with the highly anticipated DJI Osmo Pocket 4, but here's the million-dollar question. In a world where the Osmo Pocket 3 is already considered perfect by many, why is the tech world losing its mind over the leaks of the Pocket 4? Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Why are professional cinematographers and top-tier vloggers holding their breath? And more importantly, should you stop yourself from buying any camera until you see what DJI has hidden up its sleeve for 2026? Today, we aren't just looking at a spec sheet. We are deep diving into the leaks, the secret prototypes, the regulatory drama, and the groundbreaking technology that makes the Pocket 4 the most controversial yet exciting release in DJI's history. If you think you know what a pocket camera can do, prepare to have your mind completely rewired. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, the sensor. The Pocket 3 shocked everyone with its 1-inch sensor, delivering low-light performance that rivaled cameras 3 times its size. But the whispers from the supply chain in Shenzhen are pointing towards something even more radical. We are hearing about a new, stacked CMOS architecture. Now, for those who aren't camera nerds, let me translate that into plain English. This means more speed, higher dynamic range, and low-light capabilities that make midnight look like golden hour. We are talking about a sensor that doesn't just see light, it masters it. But DJI didn't stop there. The biggest leak, the one that has sent shockwaves through the creator community, is the rumor of a dual camera system. Imagine having a standard wide lens for your vlogs, and with a flick of a switch or a gesture, transitioning to a dedicated telephoto lens. This changes everything. No more digital zoom that makes your footage look like a pixelated mess from 2010. We are talking about true optical reach in a device that fits in your jeans. This would effectively kill the need for any other travel camera. Think about the possibilities. You're hiking in the Grand Canyon. You want that epic wide shot of the landscape. Done. But then, you see an eagle perched on a cliff hundreds of feet away. Normally, with a Pocket 3, you just have to settle for a tiny speck in your frame. With the Pocket 4's rumored dual-lens setup, you zoom in, the gimbal stabilizes the shot perfectly, and you capture the glint in that eagle's eye. That is the power of the Pocket 4. Now, let's address the design. Leaked images suggest a body that is slightly taller and more ergonomic. Why? Because DJI is reportedly packing in a massive battery upgrade. One of the few complaints about the previous models was that for long shooting days, you were always tethered to a battery handle. The Pocket 4 aims to be a day-long beast. They are rumored to be pushing for a 1,600 mAh battery, a significant jump that, combined with a more efficient AI processor, could give you hours of continuous 4K 120 frames per second recording. Speaking of 4K 120 frames per second, that's just the baseline now. There are whispers of 5.7K or even 6K capabilities. Why does that matter? It gives you the room to crop. For the YouTubers watching this, imagine filming in 6K and being able to zoom in 200% in your editing software without losing